Feature number 1, the first thing we had to get to is revamping your Google Drive foldering structure. We included a taxonomy to help better store and organize your business documents. We also included a non-Google email review form. This is sent automatically to customers, as we'll talk about later in this video. In your customer calendar spreadsheet folder, you'll see future customer calendar spreadsheets all the way to 2027. Your business analytics dashboard will include everything about your customer data, ranging from order submission date to setup date and much more. Automated templates includes templates that are used later, and we'll discuss this towards the end of the video. Feature number 2, we added a user-friendly menu to the top to help improve a better user experience. We also included tabs for any kind of resource videos or how-tos, anything from how to update your inventory, whether it's add or delete, or whether it's edit stuff on your inventory charts, and much more. Let's click on how to add or delete something from your graphics. It'll actually pop up the resource video link, and you click on it and you're able to go right then and there. Feature number 3. Here we are trying to figure out, okay, how do we extract data from your Gmail account for corporate orders, because we got tired of having to follow up with customers on their orders, so we developed this. That loads up, it brings in Chris Waffle's order, and that is recognized based on coming from sign dreamers. Feature number 4, this allows and adds new fields to allow you to add setup times and pickup times. These aren't required, but it helps better organize your business and also display in your business insights. As you'll see in the column H and I, it shows the time of when the setup and pickup is, and then columns K through P will show you exactly the day and time that you have recorded this pickup or the setup and pickup to be. Feature number 5. We wanted to include multiple databases in this workspace because some of the clients have multiple databases, whether it's a corporate database, whether it's a custom booking form that you develop, or whether it's a graduation booking form. Here we're able to add up to 5 different databases, and this master database tab is all regulated and assisted by us when adding a new database. Feature number 6, we revamped the business insights. If you haven't already noticed, the start date and end date are all the same, but we added a new feature called filter order status count. So whatever drop down menu you select, it will count those amount of instances in this view. For example, predicted excluding gifts will count everything except for gifts. Service complete, let's do invoice paid. We see 2 in here, so it returns 2 in orders and date range. Let's scroll over to the right. You're able to also edit your reasons for cancellation. This allows you to record any kind of custom cancellations that you've been experiencing and are already on this default list. So let's just add a house flood for an example. Let's remove this and reselect no, decided not to get greeting. Then we'll see a what happened pop up, and now we can select house flooded. Same thing in your other database or any more databases, the field will pop up once we select no, decided not to get the greeting, house flood. Now let's go back to the business insights, and we'll see the count is that we've had 2 customers cancel for house floods. Feature number 7, it only takes 2 clicks to send an automated thank you email to your customer once you've picked up their sign. Let's simulate this for Suzanne. As we scroll over to the right, we'll be able to see the order status column. Let's change Suzanne's order status to service complete. In the next cell, we'll see, would you like to send email now? Let's go ahead and select yes, send email. In the adjacent cell, you'll see thank you Gmail template sent, since Suzanne has a Gmail email address. This is what Suzanne sees in her email box. and she's able to click on the link below to leave us a Google My Business review. Here she's able to say thank you and give us a star rating within seconds. Let's pop over to the right side as we'll see an example for non-Gmail. When we select this, we'll see a pop-up in the next cell that says send automated email now. Let's go ahead and select yes, send email. In the adjacent cell, you'll see thank you, non-Gmail template sent, since Tammy has a Yahoo email address. This is what Tammy sees. She has two links, a link to fill out a general Google form to leave feedback, but if she has a Gmail account, she's able to leave a Google My Business review. Regardless, we want to make it easy for her to leave us feedback. Feature number 8, we wanted to make it easy to copy and paste data once a customer has paid their order, whether to text them or whether to create a calendar event. In your automated templates, you'll see this invoice paid message generated. Whenever you select a payment paid or invoice paid in the order status, you'll see the adjacent cell pop up with text saying that the invoice paid message was generated. As you can see here, this just generated. We go over to our Google Calendar. If you organize your business and orders in Google Calendar to create reminders, and we go ahead and copy the generated text right here. Regardless of how many databases you have, they'll work in any one. So let's go John Doe and go all the way to the right and do invoice paid again. We'll see the adjacent cell, populate text there. If we go back to the template, we'll see that now it's John Doe. Contact us and we'd love to get you onboarded to Workspace 1.0.